The ACT platform is a gateway to a wide range of qualified and tested trading strategies, developed by experienced Forex traders. The platform automatically mirrors the trades executed by your strategies. The key for successful mirror trading is to select the right strategies for your portfolio. However, not every strategy is suitable for every trader. This is the reason we developed the Smart Filter, a special filter that identifies strategies according to your account balance and trade size. The data you enter in the Smart Filter is hypothetical and does not influence your actual trading. For this reason, you can experiment and see what works for you. Here's an example. Here, you set your balance, which is the amount of money you want to invest. The second tab is where you set your trade size, for each position that will be open for your strategy. The trade size has a direct effect on the risk level. The higher the trade size, the more risky your portfolio will be. Clicking on Find, the Smart Filter calculates data and only presents the strategies that are compatible to your account balance and risk appetite. Let's take a close look at the performance table. The first column in the performance table is the curve icon. By clicking on this icon, you can remove the curves of the strategy in your graph area. The next column is your star area, which allows you to add strategies to your watch list in order to follow up on their performance without actually letting them trade for you. The next two columns are the strategy name and the currency it's trading in. The next few columns reflect the trade results of their strategies. The T-score is a unique rating system designed for strategies calculating statistical formulas while paying special attention to the strategy's risk and reward levels, providing each strategy with a score from 1 to 10, representing the strategy's current performance. The next column is the number of trades. This represents the number of positions that were open and closed during the time frame selected. The next parameter is the ROI percentage. It shows you what your profit would have been and what percentage if you choose this specific strategy with the start balance and trade size you entered in the Smart Filter. MDD percentage represents the maximum drawdown in a percentage calculated using your selected trade size and the start balance along with the time frame. The next parameter is max positions. This number represents the maximum number of open positions that can be traded simultaneously based on your portfolio risk level. The last parameter we will review is the Pips tab. This column simply shows you the pips you earned or lost. After reviewing and analyzing the performing results, you can choose the strategies that you want to use in your portfolio. Simply click on the Add Plus button. In the graph area above the performance table, you can view the profit and loss curves of the strategies. As a default, the platform will show the top 5 highest ranking T-score strategies. On the top of the graph, you can see the strategy names. The curves and the names will appear in the same color. If you point the cursor on a strategy's name, you will see the symbol it is trading. At any time, you can add or remove a strategy from your graph by clicking on the X icon next to the strategy name on the graph, or on the curve icon on the performance table. The graph will display up to 5 strategies. You may click on Combine Curves to view a combination of all the selected strategy curves. You may place the cursor on any point in the strategy's curve to view its profit or loss from the beginning of your selected time frame. After reviewing a strategy's performance, you can add it by clicking on the strategy's curve, then clicking on the plus sign. You can also choose to add a strategy to your watch list to view its performance over time by clicking the star icon. The Custom Filter tab allows you to monitor and analyze all trading strategies, trading results, and statistics. You can filter or select the results by one or more criteria. By clicking on Add Criteria, you can choose the parameters to filter strategies by. As an example, you can choose to view strategies with the T-score above 8 and the time frame of 90 days. After you set the filter's parameters, click on Find to view the results. By default, the results on the table are stored by T-score, with the first strategy presented being with the highest score.